Today, I'm going to share with you guys one project that could go absolutely crazy in a bear market. So if you truly are fearful of a bear market and you want to know which project can thrive in such a condition, then continue watching this video. Hello there everyone, I hope you're having a beautiful day. So today I'm not just going to show you guys the Bitcoin chart, but I'm also going to show to you guys my favorite project for a bear market. Now, what kind of a project would do good in the bear market? Just stay tuned and I'll explain to you why this project would do so well and why I'm banking on it for a bear market play. So as of right now, Bitcoin is in a range. We can see it as moving sideways, but it's moving sideways in a nice and big range of around 23%. So something like this in a stock market environment would be the movement of an entire year, excuse me. And in the crypto market, this is just another week, right? After a dip, we see a range forming, and then I try to trade off of the lows, basically trying to see where the lows of the range are, where we are probably going to do basically this in a range, right? You go this, until you break the range and you go up, or you break the range and you go down. Now, I'm not here to decide which direction we're going to take. I'm just here to trade the range. So these are the price points I'm looking at. As of right now, 49,300. I would love to scale out a little bit on my holds here. Then I have an alert here at the top, 51,500. But the real selling zone is for me right here. So this zone from basically 52,500 until 54,000, I would love to sell a little bit more here, because I do think that if we go and we break out towards the upside, this is the place where we find a small rejection, and perhaps we find continuation further towards the downside, or we put down a higher low based on this previous area, right? So then you have a move like this, you reject, and then you continue upwards. Anyway, in both scenarios, which I both feel they are highly probable after reaching this area, I would be doing better by selling at this area and then buying back, for example, here, and therefore increasing my positions a little bit. So that's my strategy for a bullish scenario. For a bearish scenario, I'm basically watching these lows right here, and I want to move swiftly under these lows and then see an impulsive move towards the upside. So I love taking a leveraged long, for example, on these lows, and otherwise I love to trade my favorite projects as well in these kind of scenarios, because like if I look at a daily time frame, right, and every single time that we've moved down, always you see some lows being taken out right before we see that strong impulsive move towards the upside. Even here, right, we're trying to break this resistance over here. We go down, we take out this daily low, and boom, we trap the shorts and we go up. Then here again, we trap the shorts, we go up, and here again, we trap the shorts, we go up. I really don't have to over exaggerate here, because almost every single time we see a visit towards the lows before we start an impulsive move towards the upside. Now, this is in extreme fear, this is in extreme doubt, this is in extreme uncertainty, and this is in the opportunity of a trader who can see past all of these things. So that's why I like to be anticipating what the market can do instead of reacting to what the market is doing. So when I anticipate on what the market is doing, I have both scenarios in my mind, and I'm okay with both scenarios, right? I know that trading the crypto market can carry some risks. I'm not here to sell everything at the lows. I'm just here to scale back a little bit when we hit those lows, maybe make some leverage longs. I'm perfectly fine with buying at these levels. I'm also perfectly fine at selling at these levels, because I know how the market moves. And yeah, that's basically my strategy for the upcoming weeks. We'll be trading the range until the range breaks either towards the upside or towards the downside. And both scenarios are perfectly fine with me. I'm just here to basically get an increase on my long-term holds, you know, like basically getting more of Luna, getting more of RUNE by trading these ranges, and that's it. So now let's get into the altcoin that I was talking about at the start of this video, which is my favorite project for 2020, Luna. My favorite project for 2021, Luna. And probably for 2022, if you're talking about all the large caps that we currently have, I still prefer Luna. Now, why does this project do so well right after we've seen a correction? So for those of you who don't know, Luna is based around a stable coin. Now, the stable coin that Luna is based around is called UST. UST. So basically, it is called the UST, not USDT, which is Tether, but UST. So this stable coin can only be produced by burning Luna. So there's a finite supply of Luna, and whenever I want more stable coins, I have to burn Luna in order to mint, as it's called, these stable coins. Now, one of the things I can do with these stable coins is I can get a fixed 20% per year interest. Now, what happens if we go into a bear market? People will want to have a place to store their cash, right? Because you want to get more interest. So one of the best ways to get interest is a 20% stable interest rate from Terra's Anchor protocol. So now, if we go into a bear market and I want to put my stable coins to good use, my cash, I can go to the Anchor protocol. But in order to get access to the Anchor protocol, I need to have UST. And if I need UST, I have to burn Luna. So in order to get more stable coins, in order to burn these stable coins, an increase in the price of Luna is inevitable. So the more demand there is for this stable coin, which can be basically, this stable coin can also mimic other currencies, right? It's not just the UST, also the Singapore dollar, also the euro, US. I'm not sure what the exact tickers for these are. I think it's like Singapore T, something like that. But basically, you have an entire currency basket that you can use, and you can basically get 20% interest rate on your stable coins guaranteed. Okay, so if I would want to hold a coin through a bear market, this is my number one pick because there is so much adoption going on. You can stake Luna and get not only a reward on your Luna, but you can also get free airdrops because so much is going on in the Terra ecosystem. So this is my number one bear market altcoin. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.